In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark Facebook Marketplace listing sold. If you've wrapped up a sale on Marketplace, marking the item as sold is the quick, professional way to stop new inquiries and keep your selling dashboard tidy. Here's exactly how to do it on either the mobile app or the desktop site, with a couple of clarity tips along the way. First, open Facebook. You can use the app on your phone or go to the website in a browser. From the home screen, head to Marketplace. On mobile, it's the little storefront icon. On desktop, you'll see Marketplace in the left sidebar. If you don't spot it right away, open the main menu and look for Marketplace there. Next, go to your selling area. Choose your listings or selling to view everything you currently have posted. This page shows your active items, prices, and any that are pending or previously sold, so it's the easiest place to make updates. Find the item you just sold and open that listing. A quick double check here helps prevent updating the wrong post, especially if you have duplicates or variations with similar photos. Now look for the More Options menu. It's the three dots you'll see on the listing. Tap or click that menu to reveal the available actions, then select Mark as Sold. This tells Marketplace that the item is no longer available. In some cases, Facebook may prompt you to choose who bought the item. You can pick the buyer from your recent messages if you completed the deal through Marketplace, or select someone else if the sale happened outside the platform. This step is optional, but it can help keep your records clean and may improve the accuracy of your Marketplace insights. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Mark as Sold again. After you confirm, the listing will display a sold label in Marketplace. That signal helps manage expectations for anyone who bookmarked the post, and it reduces the chance of new messages about an item that's already gone. Your existing chat threads won't disappear, so you can still follow up with the buyer for pickup details or feedback if needed. That's all there is to it. Open Marketplace, go to your listings, choose the item, use the three-dot menu, select Mark as Sold, optionally choose the buyer, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.